The StartX Remote Start Kit for Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012 offers a convenient way to start your vehicle remotely, perfect for warming it up on cold mornings or cooling it down in hot weather. This kit includes a unique T-harness that eliminates the need for wire splicing, making installations straightforward and quick by simply plugging into factory connectors. Designed specifically for Honda Accords with a key-blade start engine from 2008 to 2012, this remote starter is not compatible with push-button start models. The system is intended for vehicles with gas and automatic transmissions, requiring the use of the factory key for operation. One of the standout features of this kit is its complete plug-and-play design, making it accessible even to those with minimal technical skills. Manufactured by StartX, this remote starter kit is highly reliable, allowing you to enjoy a preheated or pre-cooled car whenever you desire.